Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're gonna unbox this thing here. So let's just get started with this. This is a wall stud finder model 5-in-1 detector. Let's have a look around the book. Well, it said here, benefits: finds the stud center quickly, easy to read LCD display, detects metal and wood stud up to 3/2 inches, 38 millimeter, detects metal rebar up to 2.36 inches, which is 60 millimeter, detects AC live wire up to 2 inches, 51 millimeter, has auto calibration and battery is included. And here you can see we have the scanning modes. Stud half-inch scan, locates the center and edge of wood and metal stud up to half an inch, 30 millimeter deep. Stud 1-inch scan, locates the center and edges of wood and metal studs up to 1 inch, 25 millimeter deep. Stud 1.5-inch scan, locates the center and edges of wood and metal studs up to 1.5 inch, 38 millimeter deep. Metal scan detects metal up to 2.36 inches, 60 millimeter deep. AC scan detects live and shielded AC wires up to 2 inches, 51 millimeter deep. So let's open it up and see what we have in the box. It's made from plastic. It said that batteries are included, but I have my doubts. Yes, there is no battery. It takes a 9-volt battery, so batteries is not included. But let's have a look first on this. This is the user manual with instructions. And here 5-in-1 detector. It has an on button and I think this is a selection button. In the back, this is the battery compartment. There is a button here. So let's see what all of these things are. So this is the center pointing system. Okay, here you will search for studs here using this part. And this is the scan button. This is the scan button here. And this is the mode switch button, and this is the power button. So I think it's better if we turn it on. So I got a 9-volt battery. Let's close this box for now and let's install battery. So let's now have a look at it. So we have different modes here. This is the metal finder. This is AC wire finder or AC current. And this is different sizes of finding stud in the wall. Let's check it, for example, on a metal. So we'll press this button here. When you search and we discover there is a metal, so it will ring that we have found a metal. Now let's change the mode to cable. So will it ring here? No. So it will find that there is an AC current, and this is the different modes. So this is all that comes in the box, which is the 5-in-1 detector and the instruction manual. So I would appreciate if you like the video, if you enjoyed it, and thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.